Hurry up and go. She doesn't know how to ride a bike. Oh shit, neither do I. Oh fuck. Shit! I dropped my soda! Wait, hold on. Okay, so I guess I can't have water with me. I have an idea. But my idea is not going to work. Okay. Okay, go. My soda. And when you get there, just turn up the street. Shit. Go ahead and go in the street and go up. Hi. Yeah, go up. Come on. You're gonna make me stop, aren't you? Okay.